Hey Gerd, this is Jesse. Thank you for being so patient with me. Sorry I've been kind of stupid, but here's the piece. I put this piece on as you indicated. It's movable. I'm not sure how much to tighten it, but one problem could be, so I've done all this and it still staples poorly, but it's clicking. Maybe some pieces have gotten worn down over time. As you can see, like there's just big gaps in the staples that I've been doing. Okay, hold on, buddy. So this though is where it like crushes the staple next to it when you staple really close. Anyway, major problems still, and I'm wondering if this clicking is making that difference that much. And if I can just replace maybe this whole bit, if that would make a difference, or maybe even the blade, the ejection blade. So anyway, if you have any more thoughts, or if I can get any replacement parts, please, either way, hit me back. Thank you so much.